build a highway, you need to move.
This is our house. We will not move.
Build it somewhere else.
If you do not move, I will run you over. Ah, what in tarnation?
We warned you to leave. This is our home.
I'm gonna come back tomorrow and you better be gone.
What are we going to do? He'll be back tomorrow.
We can build a wall to keep him out of this part of the jungle.
That's a good idea. But with what? We can use these big rocks over here. Let's get to it, boys.
Finally, it's done. Now we can get some sleep and hopefully that'll stop him tomorrow.
Who put these rocks here?
Oh, we did.
I'll be back tomorrow with heavy artillery.
We did it, guys. But he'll be back tomorrow. True. Let's see what happens. Be back.
If you don't move these rocks, I will.
Uh-oh.
Now I can come through and bulldoze the trees.
No.
Hey, what are we gonna do now?
I think I know a guy. We can use his RPG. I found my RPG from Home Depot. We will crush the enemy.
That'll be helpful for tomorrow. Let's get some sleep so we can be rested.
Oh yeah, let's spoon.
I'm here to bulldoze those trees. What is that gorilla holding?
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just sweeping. Sweeping my enemies.
Is that an RPG?
You bet your tits it's an RPG.
You won't. No balls, you won't.
Yay! We won! Yay! Ain't nothing but a thing.
No, bad.